Hey, what's up, Aaron here. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out Rent a Cyber Friend, and maybe you're wondering, can you actually earn some money by becoming a cyber friend with someone? How does this all work? Let's check it out, right? I've reviewed this before. Let's review it for this year to find out, if it's still a good way for you to generate some additional income, right? On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Rent a Cyber Friend to see if this is the good or the ugly. Is this a cool, interesting way to make some extra money on the internet, all right? So this is a very interesting one. This is basically, you can come here to rentacyberfriend.com. Maybe you've seen this. And you can chat with different people all over the world. You can see the demographic right here. It's very, very broad, right? 160 plus countries, 2.7 million plus members, right? And you can either find a cyber friend or become a cyber friend, all right? So I'm not going to cover the find a cyber friend, because if you want to talk to somebody, you can basically call and pay and talk to different people, and you can choose the different people that you want to speak to. Is really interesting. They've got all sorts of different profiles. I'm going to talk about how you can make money from Rent a Cyber Friend, all right? So if you want to make some money from this website, you would basically click on Become a Cyber Friend, all right? And when you become a cyber friend, there's a few things that you can do, okay? So you can first of all set up your profile. That's really important, because there are a lot of people on this platform. Think about it, from all over the world. So it's kind of like a marketplace, right? So you can see basically on your screen all the different people that you can search for. You can put in all the different search parameters that you want. What language do they speak? Are they male or female? What interests do they have? And based on that, you'll get different people that will pop up, okay? And so it's very important for you to take the time to set up your profile properly. Make sure you have a nice picture. Make sure you add some colors. Make sure you add a nice description. Don't just put like a smiley face there. I've seen some people that just have a smiley face. Is not enough to attract people to want to speak to you, all right? Because there's so many people on there. And so make sure you set up your profile properly. And then the other thing is that, this is really for a place to make friends, get coaching, get some advice. This is not a dating site at all right? So that's very, very important. As soon as you start, if somebody approaches you for dating, or they're saying some inappropriate things, you can basically report them, okay? So this is not like Tinder or Hinge or any of those platforms. This is purely for friendship, purely for connection, purely for companionship, okay, for all sorts of different things, right? And that's the cool thing, and you can sort of speak to people that way. But it is video call. That's important, all right? So this is one of those things where you really do have to get on the camera and speak to people. Take the time to do that. That's what you're getting paid for, all right? Have great conversations and that sort of thing, all right? And so here are some of the frequently asked questions. So how do you earn money? That's really important, right? As a cyber friend who's receiving the calls, how do you make money? Well, you basically set your own rate. That's really important to understand, right? Now, and it's a per minute rate. You get paid per minute. And people set generally rates between 10 cents per minute all the way up to $3 per minute. Now, you have to ask yourself this question, right? If you're too expensive, obviously people aren't going to pay for it, because I have seen some profiles, $3 a minute is really expensive, right? So you're first getting started on this, you probably want to set your price a little bit lower. Otherwise, people just aren't going to pay, right? They're not going to talk to you for very long as well. So, somewhere in between, maybe 50 cents per minute, 20 cents per minute. And as you get more experience and you get more demand, of people wanting to speak to you, then you can raise your rates. All right. That's really important. You can choose, obviously anytime that you're available, right? When you can, go online. Essentially you get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, or Wise, depending on where you live in the world. Okay. You must earn at least $50 before you get paid out. That's the thing, all right? So that can take a while. So if you just join this for a little while and you get a couple of calls and you speak to people for a few minutes, then the money is going to get stuck there until you get paid more than you make more than $50 before they'll actually pay out. So that's important to understand. Now let's talk a little bit about how to actually be found and receive calls. Because the platform is like a marketplace, right? There's only so much you can see on the screen. They actually ask you to promote your own profile on social media, right? So if you're lucky enough and you've got, maybe followers on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, and, you want people to, reach out to you, talk to you, you can promote it that way. But if you don't have that, like a lot of people don't really have, that many connections, then it can be pretty slow going. Okay, so if you're lucky, you have a great profile, you're in the right country, maybe, and you've got the right profile, you might get more calls. If you don't and you're a little bit unlucky, then you may not get any calls. All right. So, the question about how much money can you make from this is, it really, really depends. You could make nothing, you could make very little, maybe, a couple of bucks a month, or you might be able to make, 10, 20, $30 a week. It depends on how much time you spend on this, how much you promote your profile, a little bit of luck as well, right? And, whether you got the right profile for people to want to chat with you. That's really important, okay? Also understand that Rent a Cyber Friend, they will take 20% of a fee. So if you make $10, they will take $2. That's how they make their money, all right? Which is pretty fair. 20% is a pretty normal rate for these type of websites, all right? So I did want to check out a third-party reviewed site to see what they have said about Rent a Cyber Friend. And you can see that Rent a Cyber Friend has not that many reviews, only 119, 3.4 star, okay? But I did want to just say that, it's a bit of a mixed bag, right? So 60% of people have given it 5 star, 25% of people have given it 1 star. So 25% is pretty high, okay? Anything above 3% is pretty high in terms of 1 star. And generally the complaints here, I'll summarize it for you. People are saying that they either got their accounts shut down for no reason. That means they are a friend, they're a cyber friend receiving calls, and for whatever reason they got their account shut down, they can't get it back, which is weird. And some people weren't paid their money. Okay, it's not everyone, because if you actually go through this, there's not that many. There's a few people that have said, I made a certain amount of money and I wasn't paid that money. Now that could be for many, many reasons, right? Maybe they didn't reach their threshold. Maybe they were a little bit unlucky. It's not that many, but there are some people that have said that. So just be aware of that, okay? And just be aware that, this is something that you have to go and test. If you're interested in having video calls with random people from around the world, and you don't mind being a friend, having a conversation, getting to know people, maybe you like talking to people, this might be something for you. I do want to mention though that this probably isn't the best way to earn money, because a lot of it has to do with luck, right? It's a marketplace. So if you're brand new, you're competing against a lot of other cyber friends. It's very hard to get visibility, right? And if you don't have your own big social media platforms to promote yourself, then you're not going to be able to take that many calls. And if you don't make more than $50, your money that you make is going to be stuck on the platform, unfortunately, right? And then there's also that risk that, some people have said that they weren't paid. So that's a little bit of a risk that you're going to have to take. You're just going to have to try it and see for yourself, okay? So how much can you make from this? I think this is really just pocket money. A little bit of extra money on the side, maybe $5, $10 extra a month, maybe if you're lucky, $30, $50, $100 extra per month. But this is not gonna, it's not life-changing income. You can't quit your full-time job because of this, but they've been around for a long time. I've reviewed them before, and generally it's a platform that works if you work it and if you're a little bit lucky. So if you want to check it out, rentacyberfriend.com. Okay. Now, if you're here watching this video and you're looking for a way to generate income on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if you would like to find out my favorite way to earn some pretty big money online, all right, I've got a link right below this video, and I will recommend you my favorite strategy. I think it's one of the best. So if you're looking for a way to do that, you can check that out, and I will see you on the next video review. Take care.